Welcome to HomeLink 2.8 in Everyday Math. HomeLink is subtraction methods. The method we practiced in the classroom was the borrowing method. That's the one the students are going to see the most, both in HomeLinks, in the Everyday Math series, and then on the MCA and NWEA tests. So we wanted to get the students to practice that. The other skill that we will look into is the counting up method. So taking the bottom number and counting up to get to the top number. But we will be using the borrowing method for the majority of this HomeLink. Fill in the unit, solve the problems. You may use any method you wish. Use ballpark estimate to check that your answer makes sense. Write a number model for your estimate. On the back of this HomeLink, explain how you solved one of the problems. In the problem below, we have number 1, 468 minus 274. They can round 468 to 470 minus 270 and have 200. Now in this problem we have, start with the ones place. Whenever you're subtracting, start in the ones. 8 minus 4 is 4. 6 minus 7 doesn't work, so we borrow from the 4. It becomes a 3. We carry that 1 over and it becomes 16. So 16 minus 7 is 9. And the 3 minus the 2 is the 1. So we can see that our estimate of 200 is very close to our answer of 194. In number 2, you have 531 minus 329. My ballpark will be 530 minus 330. The answer again will be 200. Now the students will notice that 1 minus 9 does not work. If you have $1 and try to take away 9, it can't happen. So they take away from the 3, cut it out to become a 2. Give the 1 to the 1, it becomes 11 minus 9, which is 2. 2 minus 2, which is 0. And 5 minus 3, which is 2. In our next problem, we have 331 minus 209. We'll ballpark it to 330 minus 200. Now some kids might want to say 210. That is completely okay with the ballpark estimate. They can round up or round down. And in that one we have 130. So they might have 120 if they round it up to 10. And then the problem, 1 minus 9 again does not work. So we borrow the 3, take away a 1 from it, becomes a 2. The 1 comes from the tens place, so you carry over. So it's 11 minus 9, which is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So we can see that if they did put the 10 here, it would be 120, which is very close, as is 130. In the next problem, we have 653 minus 447. If you round down to 650 and subtract by 450, you again have 200. 3 minus 7 does not work, so you borrow from the 5, it becomes a 4. Carry it over. 13 minus 7 is 6, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 6 minus 4 is 2. In number 5, we have 925 minus 486. So 900, and the 5 says we can round up or down. We'll round down, and we'll have 486. Some kids might want to go to 500. That's completely okay. 420. That's my ballpark estimate. Now, cannot do 5 minus 6, so we borrow from the 2. The 2 becomes a 1. Carried over, it's 15 minus 6, which is 9. 1 minus 8 does not work, so we borrow from the 9. It becomes an 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. 438 is close to 420. Problem number 6, 724 minus 237. We have 720 minus 240. That gives us a total of 480. Again, on this ballpark one, they might even have to borrow just to get the ballpark, just to find out that ballpark estimate answer. Again, 4 minus 7 will not work. We borrow from the 2, it becomes a 1. Give it over, it's 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 3 won't work. Borrow from the 7, it becomes a 6. Give the 1 to the 1, it's 11 minus 3, which is 8. And 6 minus 2 is 4. 487. Units, you can put any units in. Most kids like to put an animal. We'll throw in dogs. If you have any questions on this home link, please contact me by email or phone. Thank you.